Hey, in today's video, I'm going to highlight 11 of my favorite Tesla app features, and I'm starting right now. So the first feature that I'm going to highlight with you today is that you can remotely control the climate control inside of your Tesla right here on the Tesla app. And this is exactly how you would do this. Pull up your Tesla app, go to climate, and from there you can control the temperature from almost anywhere in the world that has an internet connection. And that way you never have to get into a cold or hot car again. Not only that, you can also schedule when you want your cabin temperature to start adjusting inside of your car. Just say if you're at work or if you're at home and you leave every morning at 6 in the morning, you don't have to go on your app every day. You can come right here where it says schedule, and you can schedule that as well. Also, you can schedule charging right on the app for your car. My car starts at midnight every single day charging at home because that's when I get the best rates. But if you're at work, if you're out and you want to start charging at a specific time, you no longer have to keep going into the app. Teslas are continuously improving all the time, and that is due to the over-the-air software updates. And you don't have to get in your car in order to put the latest software update on your phone. Yes, you can do it right from the app. You just press the button on the app and it will begin to download the latest version or the software, the upgrade right from your phone, as long as you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection. And also your car has a come to me feature and also going to the target. And this is with the enhanced autopilot and also the FSD packet. So I'm going to click right here on where it says go to target, and it's not coming to me, but I have it going over there somewhere. And you see the car right now is starting to move. This is great whenever I'm at a grocery store, if I'm at the gym and I don't feel like walking to the car, especially if it's raining. See, that's the target that we set. Now it says that summon is complete. But just say your car missed the target. I'm holding down the backup and now the car is backing up. And if you're going ahead, it will go ahead as well. This is great whenever you're coming into very tight parking spots or something like that. Or again, like if the car would miss the target. So the car is going to continue to go as long as my finger is on the button. So I'm gonna let go, the car stopped. If you're having someone that's going to drive your car, or if you have a kid and they're going to be driving your car, you can also, under the security and driver setting on the app, you can set your car in valet mode. Valet mode will restrict certain features in the car. It will cap the max speed on the car where it says manage drivers. You can extend the invitation to people to have access to your car, and that's what you call phone key. Long as the phone is close to you, or now even your Apple Watch, that will serve as your key. And this is where your phone will send off an invitation, so that way you don't have to keep ordering these little key cards in order for people to have access to your car. And also with your Tesla, it has GPS tracking right here on your app, so you can always know in real time where your car is, and it also will tell the exact location, the speed of the car, even what the person is listening to on the radio. That's wow. And on your Tesla app, right under the security tab, you can see live footage on your car. Not only can you see live footage, you can see your Sentry footage and also your dash cam footage that's saved on the car, and you can save up to 30 seconds right here on your phone. And one of my favorite questions that people ask me about my Tesla is how much does it cost in order for you to charge your car? And you can find that out right here on the app where it says charge stats. And you can see here, over the last 31 days, I have only spent roughly about $7. That's right, $7 in order to charge my car at home. And you can see what it is for the year as well. Over the last year, less than $300 for charging my Tesla. So that is really cool. And it also gives you different tips on how you can maximize your range and your savings with your Tesla. You can lock and unlock your car right here on the app, and I have it set up here as a quick control. So you can see the car here, it locked. Now it's unlocked, and I did all of that right through the app. And if you want to know more about the Tesla app, check out the video right there. It's the best video on YouTube. It's taking you all the way through the Tesla app in a very entertaining way. And the other video over there, all things about your Tesla and your money, be sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.